welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it is time to unbox Tribe Beauty's August box. I'm so excited to share with you guys what's in this box this month. But before we get into the unboxing, I just want to remind you guys that I recently created an account on Patreon. So if you can please check it out and help support this channel so that I can keep creating content for you guys. I will leave the link down below. Alright, let's just jump into this. Now, for those of you guys who are new to my channel and don't know about Tribe Beauty Box, this is a bi-monthly subscription box. You get 5 to 8 full-size products in here for only $34.99. Tribe Beauty focuses on small indie brands as well as female-owned brands. Tribe Beauty is also owned by a woman and it's a Black-owned business. So if you want to show your support, I will also leave that link in the description box below. So the theme for this month is Italian summers. Guys, are you ready? You guys are ready for what's inside. And as always, if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen the sneak peeks and the small unboxing that I did on Instagram. The first thing in the box is the Nomad Cosmetics Lago di Como palette. So Lake Como palette. So there was options to choose this month. It was either Lake Como palette or the Kaliente palette, which I also happen to have right here. So I will also show you guys the palette, okay? Look at the beautiful packaging. So the packaging is the same as the box. It's so pretty. It's a cool tone palette. As you can see, it has 9 beautiful eyeshadows. They're so pretty. They're very big, super pigmented. This is a brand that I didn't know about, Nomad Cosmetics, and I'm so glad that I do because, oh my god, these eyeshadows are amazing. This is the palette that I used for this look that I'm wearing right now. I normally don't do blues because I don't know why. Okay, I'm more of a warm tone girl, but I have to say I really love this makeup look. I love the colors. I love everything about it. I didn't use all of them. They're also pretty. They have pretty names. They're very pigmented and soft. You get a nice sized mirror here. This palette retails for $27. The next palette is by Glamlite Cosmetics, which is this one right here. It's so beautiful. It's called Kaliente. So Kaliente in Spanish means hot. Okay, it's not spelled with a K. Caliente is normally spelled with a C, but who cares? It's so freaking beautiful. The detail on this palette, on the writing, is so beautiful. This is a warm tone palette and it's super colorful. This is a bigger palette, and if you open it up, you'll see how pretty and colorful it is. It has 15 eyeshadows in here. Most of the names are in Spanish, except for a few. But guys, when I opened this palette, the first color that I went for was Como la Flor. I just got my vinyl record from Selena and it's this color. It's so pretty! I also created a look with this palette. They also are very pigmented and very soft. This is not the first time we get Glamlite. I believe this is my second time. The first one was the Miracle palette. The mirror is pretty huge in this palette. This palette retails for $38. They're both different, but they're both really nice. I couldn't decide. I mean, I would have picked Caliente, but then everybody else picked Lake Como. By majority of votes, I did a Lake Como makeup tutorial. Next in the box, we have an oil. Guys, this little oil, oh my god, little, it's huge. It's a huge bottle. This is by the brand JABONERÍA Marianella. If you search for them on Instagram, it's actually Marianella soap, because jabonería in Spanish means soap. This is the oak moss and coconut golden oil. It has argan, marula, pomegranate, and grapeseed oil. Guys, I've been wanting an oil so bad. I don't know why I don't even have baby oil. It says here that they blend the oils by hand in small batches. They're custom blended for you by hand. Wow. It smells so freaking good. Like soapy with coconut. I was actually debating if I should use this on my face because it is very oily. I did try it on my body and it's amazing. I didn't know if I should use it for my face and I just went for it. And guys, I am so amazed by the finish. The foundation I'm wearing is a matte foundation and I do not look matte. I love it. I like to look hydrated, not dry. So I use a matte foundation because normally in summer you tend to be a little bit more sweaty. I had to definitely bake with my Laura Mercier on this area because I already have a lot of oil here, so I just wanted to make sure it stays put, and it does. It doesn't look oily. It looks like my skin is super hydrated, but in a good way. This is also a brand I didn't know about, and this little guy retails for $36. Remember to shake this well. Next product is, ooh, guys, I was so excited for this. It's 2 brushes by Luxie. Luxie is a popular brand. Okay, so we did get the Luxie number 516 brush. This is the dual fiber powder brush. This brush is to apply powders or to build up cream or liquid products as well. I use this brush to apply my bronzer, my blush, and my highlighter. A really good brush. I didn't have to clean it because, I mean, it all goes in that same area. This brush retails for $25, and the second brush is the Luxie number 660. This is the precision foundation brush. It's so beautifully rounded. First of all, I love the color. The Luxie handles are known to be pink. This is like a blue and a lavender mixed in together. It's so pretty. I love it. This one is for liquid and cream products. I used it only for my foundation. I found that it was a little bit too big for my under eye area, but I definitely loved it for my foundation. It gave me a flawless finish look. Like it says here, an airbrushed finish look. It did not leave any streaks, which I love that about it, and it's super soft. This brush retails for $23. We get both, not just one. Next we have a Wonder Beauty product. This is the Double Date Lip and Cheek Balm. I did not know about Wonder Beauty until I got it in Try Beauty. I actually like their products. The first one I think was a hydrating primer. The second one was a lip product. And this is my third product, and I freaking love this. You guys know I'm a sucker for packaging. Look at this cuteness. It is so freaking cute. Beautiful packaging. It's like a soft pink clear packaging. I love that. You can use this on your lips or on your cheeks. I decided to use it on my lips because I don't really like to use cream products on my face. They tend to be a little bit too heavy for my skin, and I tend to break out with cream products. So you have this color right here, which is called Rendezvous. So pretty. I used it with a brush. It's a light pink. I didn't think it was gonna cover my lips, but it did cover my lips. My lips are pretty dark right now. So if you open the bottom, you actually have a lip balm down here, which is completely clear. I also use it at the beginning of the tutorial so I can hydrate my lips, and it has a cute little mirror down here. I love it. I actually don't mind that the mirror is at the bottom, because if it was at the top, then you wouldn't have the clear lid and you wouldn't see the color. It's so pretty. I just love the entire packaging. Look at it. It's so freaking cute. I don't smell anything, or maybe, no. I just smell the coconut oil because it's in my hands too. So this doesn't smell. It has no scent. This is like super buttery. It's so comfortable on my lips. It's comfortable. I actually don't know if I would like to put it on my cheeks. It doesn't feel sticky. It's like a nice size to put in your little purse. This little guy retails for $22. The last product is by COSRX or COSRX. These are Acne Pimple Master Patch. It says it has ADF hydrocolloid dressing. It has 24 patches. It says the skin benefit acts as a protective cover, non-drying, absorbs impurities and oil. It comes in this bag in like another little bag, I guess. So you get small, medium, large. They have a silicone feeling to it. They do stick to your skin. I actually don't know if it did anything to my blemishes. This blemish right here looks the same. This one, it actually, if anything, it prevented it from coming out. And this one looks about the same. It says, as the patch turned white, it's replaced with a new one. But maybe I should have left it longer. I don't know. It didn't look like it turned white. It looks like it was clear. I don't know how white was it. I mean, it did look white, but you know, I don't know. Was it white? Was it clear? This little guy retails for $6. Alright, so that was everything that was in the box. The total value of the box with the Lake Como palette would be $139. If you got the Kaliente palette, it would be $150. But you would pay only $34.99. And if you would like to save a 10% off of the $34.99, you can use my code Yes, me. Now for my favorite item this month, it's hard. It's really hard to pick. I don't know why I even asked this question. If I know, I won't know. I'm really happy that I got the Lake Como palette. The brushes are also a favorite of mine. Let's not forget the cute lip cheekbone. I would have to say these are my top favorites. Okay, I do like the oil, I'm not gonna lie. It's not that I don't like it, but these were my favorite. I really love this month's box. I really felt the theme going on. It was on point. Let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite item for this month. Now let's jump into the makeup tutorial. this video. Please don't forget to let me know in the comments down below your favorite item for this month and your thoughts on this makeup look. If you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs it up. And And just to remind you guys to please check out my Patreon page. I will definitely have a separate video just on Patreon and let you guys know what exactly Patreon is. If you don't know, I will answer your questions about that and what is to come in my Patreon page. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys to my next video. Bye!